Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. We started a series of videos how to use social media to win a scholarship, and this is our third video of this series. In previous videos, in first video, we discussed a method to search and follow the researchers or professors in a particular field, and by following them we can get some information about the scholarships or open positions in different countries. And in second video we discussed keywords, which were four, and to use on Twitter and for searching to find scholarships or open positions all over the world, and how to get latest results from these searches. So in this third video we are going to add four keywords to our previous discussion, and we will use the Twitter because we are focusing on Twitter search box. So we will log into our Twitter, and then we are going to use keywords here in search Twitter box. And our first keyword for today's video is, we are going to write PhD scholarship in inverted commas. So by searching this we will get some results, and here you can see 5 tabs, which is top, latest, people, photos and videos. So first of all we are going to the top tab, but here there are some tweets from different researchers all over the world which are very old maybe, or sometime we get the results for the latest tweets. Here you can also see some PhD positions in chemistry, bio or other fields like food. And if you want to get the latest results, you should click on latest, and then you can see this tweet is posted about 7 hours ago, and here they are posting some PhD scholarships. You can see bachelor's, master's and PhD scholarships, and the next one is also a announced scholarship. We are looking for a prospect PhD student. This is some professor in some university and posting on Twitter for open positions. And you can also see business school scholarships are open, PhD in chemistry, art sciences and many more. So you will open these links one by one. If it is related to you, then you should check the required documents and everything, and the process is given in the links, so you can apply. And even if you click on photos, sometimes advertisers are using different photos for their open positions. Here you can see PhD scholarship available to work with some research group. It is in Australia. So by this keyword you can get the PhD positions which are open, and you can search latest results also. The next keyword is hiring a PhD student, because mostly professors are hiring maybe one PhD student, so they use hiring a PhD student. And we click on the latest, and we'll get some results for the latest tweets from different researchers or professors. So they are hiring PhD students one. So you can see different fields, and you can search more by using this type of keyword. And you click on photos, so you can see some tweets contain photos for the advertisement, so these results will appear in photos section. And the third keyword for the today's video is hiring 2 PhD students. First we search for hiring a PhD student, but sometimes professors are searching or looking for 2 or more PhD students. Then we search hiring 2 PhD students, and then go to latest tab, and here you can see this professor posted on 9th December, someone posted in 30th November, and so on. So you can open and read the related tweets, and you can also follow these researchers or professors. And the fourth and the last keyword for our today's video is looking for a PhD student. So we will search this tweet from some survey lab at some university is looking for PhD students in biochemistry and statistics and machine learning, or so on. So many positions are available. So click on latest to get the latest results. These are the latest results professors are posting, and they are open to hire some PhD students. So you can search related positions, or you can even improve this search keyword by using your, or by writing your major research area or your department. And for the previous videos or previous keywords, you can go to our YouTube channel and click first video or second video in the playlist, which is social media to win a scholarship, and you will get many more helpful tips to find a scholarship by using Twitter. So guys, give us your feedback on these videos and let us know how we can improve these videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.